Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the Raynic 5000 weather radio, an all-in-one emergency radio that's designed to keep you safe and informed in any situation. This model comes packed with features, so let's break down what makes this radio a must-have for your emergency preparedness kit. The Raynic 5000 is a portable, rechargeable weather radio that boasts multiple power sources, including solar, hand crank, USB, and AAA batteries. Its vibrant yellow color and modern design make it easy to spot in your gear. This radio auto-scans for emergency and weather alerts when turned on or in standby mode. It ensures you're notified of any impending weather threats without having to constantly listen to broadcasts. This feature is crucial, especially during the night when you're asleep. The large HD LCD display makes it easy to see the battery level and tuning frequency. The digital tuning feature allows for precise AM or FM or SW or WB reception, so you can quickly find your favorite channels. The dimmer button allows you to turn off the backlight and save power. The Raynic 5000 offers 6 charging options: built-in rechargeable battery, AC adapter, DC 5V USB input, hand crank, solar panel, and 3 AAA batteries. This versatility ensures you always have a way to power the radio, no matter the circumstances. In addition to receiving weather alerts, this radio includes a super bright 3W flashlight, a 2.5W reading lamp, and an SOS alarm with a loud siren and flashing red light. These features are invaluable during power outages and emergencies. Weighing just 1.2 pounds and measuring 6.8 by 3.7 by 2.9 inches, this IPX3 water-resistant radio is easy to carry anywhere. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, allowing for private listening. User reviews. Review 1 asterisk. This little guy is really sturdy and well-made. I just got it, and I am really impressed with how much it can do. It charges by solar, crank, like a cell phone to the wall outlet, or 3 AAA batteries. It came fully charged too. The NOAA weather was easy to tune into and came in clear. The flashlight is very bright, and the reading light is very good quality too. The panic button, alarm, sounds like a fire truck. Super loud, perfect. And to top it all off, it even charges your cell phone. They made this to do everything in an emergency. The best part is this amazing little gadget is the funny picture on the back of the package. When hit with a bad enough storm, the only real answer is run. Review 2 asterisk. This emergency radio has proven to be an incredibly versatile and reliable tool for my emergency preparedness kit. This portable radio offers multiple power options, including solar, hand crank, and USB charging, ensuring that it remains functional even in the most challenging situations. The AM or FM or SW or NOAA weather alert capabilities provide comprehensive coverage, keeping me informed about weather conditions and emergency alerts. One of the standout features is the built-in cell phone charger, which is a lifesaver during power outages. The radio also includes a flashlight and reading lamp, adding to its functionality in low-light conditions. The SOS alarm is a crucial feature for signaling for help in an emergency. The only minor downside is that the hand crank requires a fair amount of effort to generate sufficient power, but this is a small trade-off for the peace of mind it provides. This radio is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or anyone looking to enhance their emergency preparedness. Its reliability, multiple power options, and additional features make it a highly recommended tool for staying safe and informed during emergencies. Final thoughts. The Raynic 5000 weather radio is an essential tool for anyone serious about emergency preparedness. With its multiple power options, reliable weather alerts, and additional emergency features, this radio ensures you stay informed and ready for any situation. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for severe weather, the Raynic 5000 has got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and emergency preparedness tips. Stay safe, and see